Hey guys, welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're looking for an easy and convenient way to enjoy great meals outdoors, this video's for you. Today, we're going over the top 5 best portable barbecue grills, selected for their cooking performance, build quality, portability, and overall value. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. Weber Q1200 Grill. First up is the Weber Q1200, a solid portable grill that doesn't feel cheap or flimsy. The cast iron cooking grates hold heat really well and give you those nice sear marks on meat without hot spots ruining everything. The 8500 BTU burner gives you enough power for decent heat control, whether you're cranking it for searing or dialing it down for slower cooking. The push-button electronic ignition actually works reliably, instead of that annoying clicking that never fires up. The cast aluminum lid and box are built tough and handle bouncing around in a truck bed without falling apart. The integrated thermometer helps you monitor temps without guessing, and the domed lid accommodates larger cuts of meat without hassle. 2 folding work tables fold down flat when you're transporting it, giving you prep space when you're cooking. Cleanup is actually easy with the pull-out grease pan, no scraping and struggling. Number 2. BLACKSTONE 1814. Coming up next is the BLACKSTONE 1814 Griddle. This is the flat-top version if you want something different from traditional grill bars. The 17-inch stainless steel surface gives you 268 square inches to work with, enough to cook 9 burgers or a full stack of pancakes at once without crowding. That's genuinely useful for feeding a group breakfast or cooking multiple items simultaneously. Lightweight and compact means it fits in most car trunks or truck beds without taking up tons of space. The flat surface means eggs don't fall through grates, bacon cooks evenly instead of draping over bars, and you can make pancakes, stir-fried vegetables, or whatever you want without special equipment. The integrated grease trap catches drippings and has decent capacity, so you're not constantly dumping it during cooking. Cleanup is stupidly easy. Just wipe the stainless surface with a paper towel and you're done. No scrubbing grates for hours. Number 3. Coleman RoadTrip 285. Third on the list is the Coleman RoadTrip 285, a serious portable grill with 3 separate burners and real cooking power. 20,000 total BTUs split across 3 independent burners means you get actual temperature control. 1 side hot for searing, 1 medium for cooking, 1 low for keeping stuff warm. That's genuinely useful for cooking multiple things that need different temps. The 285 square inch cooking surface handles multiple items at once, so you're not cooking in shifts all afternoon. Quick fold legs and built-in wheels make setup and moving it around effortless, which matters when you're setting up at a tailgate or campground. The thermometer tells you actual grill temps instead of guessing, and the side tables and grease tray add practical functionality. The build quality is solid and handles regular use without everything falling apart or rusting immediately. If you're cooking for bigger groups or want the flexibility of multiple burners, this grill punches way above the typical portable category. Number 4. Char-Broil Portable Propane Grill. In 4th place, the Char-Broil Portable Propane Grill. This one's the compact minimalist if you want something that actually fits in tight spaces. Runs on those tiny 1-pound propane cylinders, so you can take it anywhere without lugging a huge tank. It heats up fast and maintains consistent temperature, so you're getting even cooking instead of hot spots and cold spots. The 240 square inch cooking surface handles up to 10 burgers or 4 chicken breasts, which is enough for casual meals or small gatherings. The porcelain-coated grates resist rust, retain heat really well, and actually clean up without turning into a scrawling nightmare. The 9,500 BTU output is respectable for something this small. The piezo igniter actually lights consistently, unlike cheaper models that require constant adjusting. Lightweight and genuinely portable with that small tank design. Perfect for tailgating, beach trips, or camping where you don't want to haul massive equipment. It's the practical choice for people who want grilling capability without complexity or bulk. Number 5. Cuisinart Petit Tabletop Gas Grill. Rounding out our list is the Cuisinart Petit Tabletop Gas Grill, the lightweight option if portability is your main concern. Only 150 square inches of cooking space, but that handles 8 burgers or 6 to 10 chicken breasts for small gatherings or family meals. Folds down to 22.5 by 17.5 by 9.75 inches with a briefcase-style handle, so you're literally carrying it like luggage to picnics or camping. The 5500 BTU burner provides decent heat and consistent cooking without being overpowered. Twist to start ignition is simple and reliable, and the porcelain enameled grate resists rust and cleans easily. Tool-free assembly takes under 10 minutes, so setup isn't complicated. Folding legs with integrated lid locks keep it stable and secure while cooking. If you want something that actually fits in a backpack or travels easily, this grill delivers. You're sacrificing cooking surface compared to bigger grills, but the portability trade-off is worth it for people who move around a lot or have limited space. And that wraps up the top 5 best portable barbecue grills. Which one would you take on your next outdoor trip? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Hype Tech Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss future uploads. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.